So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorials, we are going to go over the basics of navigating in QGIS. We will cover how to zoom, to pan, and explore your maps effortlessly. So these are essential skills to help you get the most out of your geospatial data. So if you are new to QGIS or just want to sharpen your navigation skills, this video is for you. So let's start with zooming. So zooming in and out on your map is super easy in QGIS. You can use the mouse to zoom in, like what I'm doing right now. Just zoom in and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. You can use your mouse to do that. Or you can click on the plus sign here that says a plus sign here or a negative sign here button on the toolbar. When you zoom in, you just click on it like this, then it comes out. You can see it. It allows you, when you use this plus sign, it allows you to focus on small areas in your more detail. And when you zoom out, you can also get a broader view of your map, as you can see. Then, if you want to zoom in or using this negative sign here on the toolbar, just click on it like that. Then I click on the map, it zooms out. I click on it again, it zooms out. Or at the same time, I use my mouse to scroll. Also, I just use my mouse to scroll like this to zoom out, then also to zoom in. So the next thing that I want us to do is also to talk about panning. And panning is very simple, moving the map around to explore different areas. You can pan by holding down the middle part of your mouse button and drag your mouse around the map, or alternatively, you can use the hand tool that is here, up here. You can use this hand tool from the toolbar to move your map manually. Just the way I'm doing, you click on it, pan map, then you can move it on any direction that you want it to go. That is what we call panning. And sometimes you may need to quickly view the entire map again. So let's say, for example, you have gone to zoom in, then you click on it, then it disappears immediately. So sometimes you want to quickly view the entire map again, so you can do this by clicking the zoom in, a full zoom in extend button on the toolbar here. This will instantly bring you back to the full view of your map as I've done. This is, let's say, for example, I've zoomed in like that. Then I quickly want to come back, just click on this button. Then it takes me back, showing the whole data layer that you have added using your uh, your shape files here. So exploring the layers and navigation tool is very key. As you work with more layers in QGIS, the navigation becomes even more important. The navigation tool is your best friend for quick adjustments. Here, you will find the tools for zooming, panning, and getting back to the full extent of your map. So make sure to familiarize yourself with these tools for smooth navigation. And that is it. Now you know how to zoom, to pan, and to explore your maps in QGIS with ease. These basic navigation skills will help you to move around your maps and your spatial data more efficiently. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or tips to share, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.